French fries?
You want French fries? Yeah. Where you want a French fry? Where are you gonna go?
You're gonna say
Burger King?
Yeah, I
Oh,
knew.
go to Burger King. Oh. French fries with no salt. Init-init, malamig-lamig. Galing lang namin sa ano ba to? Merkado. Ito pala mo. Over you, how much took this do? I don't know your word, and then the sky, and now I'm almost. Oh, huh?
She said I have so much homework I have
Oh,
to do.
sige na ko. You're in my life. I get nervous. Mag-nervous lang. Oh, nagpatigol pang ganin ni sila. Oh, wala. Diyan, tugnaw ah. Ako. Kikol, oh. Basta init diri sa mga tao. Kita dyan yung mga kigol. Way pakialam. Babisan pag unsa pa na imong kunot din ng imong mga napay mga piso-piso sign ng imong mga legis. Wajig kuan diri wala ingon ba nga kanang katawan ka dili. Free, yeah. Hey, nothing more than free. Uy. Salamat sa mga nag-rating sa imong birthday. Daghang salamat sa imong pagtagkilig sa amin.
Where'd you put my purse?
Oh, I'll give you money. Oh, what's the... Magkano ba? I want no more.
For choosing the king over the crown, what can we serve you today?
Can I please have a medium fry unsalted?
Sure, medium fried, no salt.
And then can I also please have cheesy tots? 4-piece?
Sure. And a 4-piece cheesy tot?
Yes.
Sure, like that, anything else?
That's gonna be it.
Alright, so $6.89, please.
Okay, thank you.
How much?
$6.89.
Six?
$6.89.
Oh. Hold on, guys. Tingnan mo, guys. Ang hold on ng lahat.
Because I had cash.
Oh, you can pay me back. Hold on. Ay, where is my...
$6.89, please.
You can pay me back.
There you go. Any ketchup as well?
No thanks.
I want no over you. I almost... Serious good. Bigyan ako. May gamay sa winning. Gamay siya. Ang mga dahon o nangatagak na o. Tagak na siya. Kay kuan. Can you text Benji, tell him that we're going to Shoei, get some food to make. Wala kay kuan eh. Kanang shopping nito wala ka ng kuan. Wala interesting. Wala interesting nga kuan. Ako ganahin. Mampot nga nang. Ako ganahin siya ka ng kuan. Ipalit sa gini sa iyang pajama nga pang winter. And then kuan. winter. Yun. Dugay siya kay ngano with no salt. You tell Benji.
Huh?
You tell Benji that we're going to show Shows.
Oh.
Oh, Lord. May hinanap ka ng bago. Hinanap ng hinanap. Kasi salamat sa greetings. Tell everyone salamat sa greetings.
Salamat.
Sa greetings.
I'm sorry, I'm so tired.
Ikapur siya, kaya daghan kay siya kuanon. Daghan kay siya istadihon. Tapoy si Inday Baduday. Ako kahion ko magdali ko mopalit sa ko kanang kuan kay para makaluto ko sa iyahang gusto. Kay ibigaw ko do siya sa kuluto. Isda ra salmon. Mahintag na salmon nga isda. Kung daily may unta. And then so pa na Maura.
Vincent, get regular sandwich bread or one of those sliced things.
Oh yes, sour cream. Oh,
Sourdough.
Ay kadugay panginang ko to nga have to pipi. Gigutom na siya. Wala ko pagkukutuma kiniinom ko ako ang kuan. Oo, so pagi ko wala ko.
Hey, thank you.
Yay.
I'm so hungry.
What was it?
A tater tot. What salad? I'm so hungry.
Oh,
Thank you.
you can sit down in a second. Pork chicken. Agoy. Hindi sura pa naon ano yun. It's hard to see.
I know.
But what do you call that?
It's quite hard to see, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Give me another one.
Do you need in BG, baby? And
No,
tomorrow?
I'm tired.
But
Please.
tomorrow?
Tomorrow. I've been up early driving.
Mm. Buka lagi kami kayo. Hello, Green. Hello, Green. Hello, my Green. You my love, you are my mind. And then you my watch, you Kinagkikabuhi manong ang kabiyon siya ko dyan bastang kabiyon na stay here.
Yeah. Let's still feed fries.
You eat that one. You eat that because you know I don't eat ano.
You eat one?
I only eat one. Okay. Oops, ito lang be. Hold on. Kasi tayo tugnaw. Tugnaw ba na dito? I think I'm gonna get cold. Guys, ang kay ay nung tugnawon ta ba? Okay. Let's ang video kakasabot kay ano kuan siya malamig or ano malamig or init karon kay padunang sa hapon ba